Hi, good Monday morning, everybody. This is Anna from HotOptionBabe.com. On the screen, I have a split chart of Apple 10-minute and Apple daily. Now, we all know that the story of the day is Apple again, all right, and it's been very, very volatile this morning. Right now, it appears like we've had a low of 575 and a high of 608. That being said, we have some information that they're going to do a quarterly dividend and they're going to do some buybacks. Now, you know you're never going to please all the people all the time. So, but it does enable some of the institutions or mutual funds to buy that have not been able to because they did not have a dividend. Apple iPad sales were off the chart. I'm long Apple via 595, 600 call spreads. So if it stays around 596 to 600, I should make out really well. And I opened it on Friday, and I'll probably close it out today. More than likely will double or more. So I have to see. I may close out half and then hold the other. Now, Apple sort of is the name of the game when it comes to the whole market. So let's take a look at the E-minis here on the split screen. Same time, 10-minute in the daily. And the reason I'm trying a little bit of something different, I'd like to do 3, but it just makes everything so tight and I can't really see it. Okay, here we go. We're looking again at the E-mini futures. Okay, and you can see that we're right here against resistance again. It's 1397. Now, if we get above that, we should power on up to this 1402 once again. Will it be a double top, or will we push on through and go higher? Well, that's a good question. Nobody really knows for sure, but it's safe to say you don't really want to short a market that's this quiet. And it has been quiet. There's your daily chart. Okay, you can just see it's just been one just an explosion upward. And like I said, it can keep going higher even when you think it can't go anymore. Okay, I've learned that the hard way back in 2009 and 10. When you think nothing makes sense for it to continue higher, it does. Okay, it wants to shake out. My opinion is that we're going to go up to around 1420, 1450, right around here, and then maybe have some kind of correction just to really beat up the bears, which have already been pretty beat up. And yes, there's still bears out there. Okay, they're still out there. Let's take a look at crude, of which I'm long as well. I'm going to change it to the 10 and the 60 on this for now, because we're going to see what it looks like for the shorter term, the 60. Okay, I've got a lot of, I hate all these lines on here, really. You can see crude again over that 108. To me, it appears like it's digesting to go higher. Okay, here's your 10 straight up this morning, 108.44. Come back in a little bit off that. But I'm looking for, again, around 109.5 and then probably back to that 111. Let me take off some of these lines. Sometimes you got too many lines, you can't see everything. I don't know. I never have open interest on it, so I don't know what the heck that is. Okay. Okay, that's a little bit clearer. So here you can see that it's right up here. I expect that it's going to retest this 110.55. Gold, silver, they have had sort of a nasty sell-off. But that being said, I think there are funds out there waiting to dive in to the gold anywhere from 1600 and below. Now, just real quick, the 10 minutes sort of coming down here. And you can see this vicious sell-off it had last week. It just really started going. It looks like it will try to go higher today. Let's look at the daily on here. The daily. Look, I see a big old inverted head and shoulder. Now, they don't always play out, but look at this stochastic as well. Okay, look at that stochastic saying that we could hold this pivot here and then push up. Okay, so that's about it. Just play what you got. I think we're going higher, and the market just opened, so I must go. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.